There's a new feature on Instagram that allows you to chat with celebrities using AI. Let me show you how. First, you open up Instagram and then you go to your messages. Next, you go to compose a message at the top right, and you should see some option that says something about create an AI chat. I already did mine, so mine may be a little different. This is a brand new thing that Meta is doing right now, so you have to request access to join, but I already did it and it only took like 30 seconds. So you should see this screen here where you can create an AI chat. I'm gonna click on that. Boom, here you can see a bunch of celebrities that you can message right now. Snoop Dogg, Tom Brady, Kendall Jenner, even Mr. Beast himself. Now they have different names, but these are AI versions of those celebrities.
My name is Optimus Prime.
Let's start a chat with Mr. Beast. So I'm gonna click on Zach, okay, boom. As you can see, his name is Zach on here. He has the personality of Mr. Beast, but he's here to tell jokes. I'm not here to listen to jokes, I'm here to grow on YouTube. So let's see, how can I grow on YouTube like you? Well, there you have it, guys. Mr. Beast speaks. There's a bunch of other celebrities and even aliens and robots that you can chat with. I just wanted to let everybody know this update. I just saw it by chance. You can follow me for more creative fashion content, but I do want to know, what are your thoughts on AI?